Hey, welcome. I hope you're having an amazing day. This is Omnath. I'm the founder and CEO of Wylo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of Wylo's forum to create the knowledge base of your product, right? It's going to be very simple. Wylo is packed with a lot of features that's going to help you create such knowledge bases and share useful videos or useful content to your audience, right? So let's just get started. All you have to do is, firstly, you'll have to kind of go to the settings and create your channels. And let's go to the forum settings. And as you can see, I have already created some channels over here. You can just segregate them based on how you want them to be grouped. For example, I have something called setting up your community. So this is our own knowledge base, whatever I'm showing you, right? So I've just segregated them into two different channels, basics and advanced. So the basics has all those simple configurations that you can do to set up your community, and the advanced has the most advanced things that you can do, right? But I've just categorized them into a single group, which is setting up your community. And then we also are covering features in depth. Let's say if you want to do a lot of configurations within the forum. So this has everything related to that, right? So depending upon however you want to like split your knowledge base and provide tutorials, just so you can just use this space and create those channels for you, right? And make sure when you create this knowledge base, you always choose the detailed post because that is where you can also put in like embed content. You can just add tables or you can just customize the content with a rich text editor, right? The short posts are usually meant for simple discussions, while the detailed posts are meant for writing your blogs or even your resources or knowledge base as well, right? So if you can see, let's say go to the basics, right? So we already have created some content over here. If you click on the first content, it's going to show you what I have done. I've added a simple knowledge base on how do you update your community details, right? I've also given a simple video that's going to show you how you can do that. And I've also added a step-by-step instructions, right? So similarly, if you want to do your knowledge base, all you have to do is just create the plus button over here, and it's going to open up the rich text editor that we have, and you can just type in the content. Let's say this is going to be the first tutorial that you're going to put it as tutorial one. And then you can choose between the different types of content customization that this has. You can add a table, you can add your text, you can add headings, right? And you can add codes. You can also add your code blocks. Let's say you want to put some code in it, you can just do it. Let's say just I'm just putting some random thing. So you can just put in your code blocks, or you can just put anything in between, or if you want to add, you can add your own images and videos also. You can even make tutorials of your software and put it up over here. You can add images. You can also embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Loom. You can embed social posts or audio podcasts, or anything that you want to embed, you can just put it up over here. You can also add your files as well, right? So once you have created the tutorial, you can just click on post and it is going to create the content for you, right? So this is a very effective way where you can just segregate your knowledge base into different channels, and each channel is having different posts, and each post covering certain topics of your product or software, and it is a much cleaner way. You can always have a separate space where you can take up Q&As, or you can have a separate customer community and a separate knowledge base as we have. So we have a separate customer community and we have a separate knowledge base as well. So yeah, this is how you can create a really helpful and in-depth knowledge base for your product. And let's you can just try it out with Wylo's Roman and create your own knowledge base. Thank you guys.